Alright, I am going to head up into the mountains. I'm going to get some decent miles put on this thing today. Right now I'm at 37 miles. Alright, so today I'm going to take the NC out and do some exploring. You know, just kind of see how she handles, see how she feels. I think I'm going to head over to Highway 11, which just runs south from here. And it's one of those little highways that it runs through some small towns and stuff like that, rather than just straight highway driving. So I figure I'll go check that out. What's this guy doing? You're just going to take up the whole road, aren't you? I do a lot of backwoods camping out at Cloudland Canyon down in Georgia, which is just outside of Trenton. And I'm actually going to be riding through Trenton at the base of the mountain, Lookout Mountain, where Cloudland Canyon is at. And I'm just going to keep on going south. It's probably about 3 times farther than Cloudland Canyon is for me. And I haven't been past Trenton on this road going this way before. So it'll be nice to see something different. It is pretty chilly out right now, but it's supposed to go up another 10 to 15 degrees, so that'll be really nice. That's kind of cool. Not really sure what all's here. I guess you can walk down over there. Let's see. There we go. There. Alright, so I made it here. It is awfully pretty. Should be waterfalls and stuff over there. Hike down and see what we got. There she is. We made it about 70 miles up into the mountains. It's a little chilly up here. I'm gonna head over by the waterfalls. That's pretty cool. It's worth the ride over here. Wow. That is pretty daggone awesome. see what else I can find around this area. Yeah, whatever. Now that was DeSoto Falls. Now there's also Laurel Canyon up here somewhere. I'm gonna go try to find. Here we go, Little River Falls. That's what I'm looking for. This is Little River Canyon Falls in Alabama. If I was wearing hiking boots, I'd actually hop the rail and go over there and get some decent pictures. But in riding boots, I just don't trust it.